The red carpet is waiting sa pasabog na OOTD na irarampa ng biggest and brightest stars sa GMA Gala 2024. 3 days to go bago yan. May pasilip na ang ilang sparkle stars sa kanilang magiging look at kadate sa special night. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Kung noong 2022, elegant black dress ang suot ni Jasmine Curtis Smith, at last year, inislay niya ang wet bangus look na shining shimmery ang peg. Ngayong taon, pinaghahandaan na raw ng asawa ko star ang kanyang magiging OOTD. Tuloy-tuloy raw ang kanyang physical preparations at nakapag-final fitting na rin.
I think I'm going for a little bit more classic look, but still flattering sa katawan natin tignan. Hindi siya ganun ka-revealing as last year, but a different type of channeling ng character tayo.
At ang kanyang escort,
Jeff, I'm still trying to convince him to change his schedule. So I'm hoping date ko that evening si Jeff, as he's been for the last 2 galas. And we can attend the evening together.
tandem din sa red carpet sina Mikey Quintos and boyfriend Paul Salas. This time, pinagplanuhan daw nila ang kanilang outfits.
Since we started doing the gala 3 years ago, parang every year I enjoy it more. Every year, you learn from the year before, and this year, isa yun sa mga notes namin na we should match. Tawagan naman namin yun, match.
Ready na rin daw to slay the GMA Gala red carpet si Andrea Torres.
I always want to surprise people. So we look back on the previous galas and sabi ko nga, I want something different naman. Still me, pero medyo mas edgy, something unpredictable.
Nag-final fitting na rin ng kanilang gala outfits sina Jack Roberto, Elijah Alejo at Faye Lorenzo with their stylist Reggie Cruz. Ang suit ni Jack designed by Jobs Estrella na ibang-iba raw sa isinuot niya last year.
Gusto ko clean lang, slick lang, dapper lang yung datingan. Napangalanan pa yung ng anti-silo shield. Yung suit ko na. Naku, malalaman nyo. Abangan nyo guys, ha?
May pa-reveal naman ang konting skin ng gown ni Elijah now that she's 19.
Yung damit po, I don't think may makakapag-expect na magsusuot ako ng ganong damit. So, a new Elijah.
May extra rin sa look ni Faye para sa special night of celebration.
Every year naman kasi, 'di ba, Miss Aubrey, ang suot ko talaga is elegant, sexy, but this year mas more ultra sexy yung gagawin ko. Todo ko na. Kaya syempre, hindi si Faye yun kung wala yung sexy.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.